So another cool part about the Philadelphia Water Ice, the premium Italian ice base, is how you can piggyback flavors and mix flavors to create new ones. So here we have a strawberry Italian ice base and a lemon Italian ice base. On their own, these flavors are incredible. But you can mix them and have a strawberry lemonade. So you see, I would basically do in our 12 quart, your recipe is half a gallon of strawberry, 2.5 pounds of sugar, and 2 gallons of water. But if I'm mixing this strawberry lemonade, I'm going to put 16 ounces of strawberry, or 32 ounces of strawberry, excuse me, and 32 ounces of lemon. So I still have a half a gallon of product, but I'm mixing and matching. So you could take the combinations and make anything you want. For example, you could take the premium water ice, the pineapple, right? Mix it with coconut and have a pina colada. You can really experiment on your own to take what you already have in standard bases and create some awesome, awesome flavors. And Philadelphia Water Ice has a list of what they recommend, but anytime you're making your own product, really your creations are only limited by your imagination. So mix and match, mix and match. And the recipes that we give you as part of the program are a starting point. You may feel like you need a little bit more sugar, a little bit more base, a little bit less sugar, completely up to you. The machine will do what you need it to do. The product will do what you need it to do. Your taste is subjective to you and your store.